Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's free video, I wanted to spend a little bit of time clarifying some analysis on gold, because my opinion of gold for the next 3 to 5 years is that it is one of the best looking charts out there. Between the pattern itself, between the squeeze that you're seeing here on the monthly, it really is time, I believe, for this asset class to begin to shine. And terrible puns aside, there could be some resistance at 2000, but once this is finally resolved, I believe a quick path to 23 and then 2500 will be the trajectory here. But as we get into Wednesday and the FOMC meeting, we just faced a really critical juncture. Now, I can show you here in gold the continuous futures contract where we are starting to lose momentum in the squeeze. So that is one part of a technical heads up that, again, momentum is beginning to wane. Maybe we're going to see a little bit more of a pullback, but I like to think that it's really just the decision of what happens in the dollar, and the dollar also giving us a buy signal today. So I like to keep the methodology of this workspace pretty simple, and what I'm looking for are moments in time where the product closes above the 10-period exponential moving average, and thinking that when that happens, at a minimum, it's going to go back to test the 21. So you can see that you're getting that signal here off of Monday's close. That should drive the dollar at least back up into 102.75, and then from there, that is going to be the critical decision on whether or not the next move is into 104. So if the dollar is going to hold this level 104, gold and silver are very likely going to be lower, along with equities. If not, and the dollar breaks down lower, then maybe it is all happy-go-lucky, but I want to put this out there as a warning that says if you start to see this unfold as the Fed does whatever they decide to do on Wednesday, keep this in mind. Also keep the decline that preceded the advance. I always like thinking this way because this is just to say, how has this market declined in the past? If we can study its past, we can start to get a personality of it and say, well, if it fell like this again, that actually wouldn't be detrimental to the bigger picture pattern. But you just want to be aware of the ebbs and flows. I think that, again, would be a great spot to get some more of those certified coins. And if you're a little bit more nimble, focusing on the short-term short. But as always, I hope you find the videos helpful. You guys have a great rest of your evening and trade well. I hope to see you in one of the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.